Hi, good morning all of you. This is your solution video. Standard 5th, chapter 6, every drop counts. Subject EVS. ओके, तो ये हमारा सॉल्यूशन वीडियो है। इसमें आपका बुक्स का सारा क्वेश्चन आंसर है जो हमने बुक्स में देखा था वही है। इसमें आपको क्या करना है, वन बाय वन मैं बोलूँगी, आपको बस ध्यान से सुनना है और सुन लेने के बाद आपको फिर इसके साथ सॉल्यूशन PDF भी रहेगी, वो आपको देखकर अपने नोटबुक में लिखनी है आज की डेट लगा के, अच्छी राइटिंग से, नीट और क्लीन और सुंदर से। ओके, तभी हम फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से स्टार्ट करेंगे। ये देखिए आपकी पूरी बुक की वन बाय वन सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर है। तो यहाँ तक है आपकी। अभी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है, लुक एट द एरिया अराउंड योर स्कूल, आर देयर एनी फील्ड्स, फार्म्स, पक्का रोड, ड्रीम इज द एरिया, शॉपिंग, रॉकी और फ्लैट। Think what will be happens when it rains. Where will the rain water go? Into the dreams, pipe or pits. Is some water also getting into the soil? तो ये क्या था, इसका मतलब हुआ अपने स्कूल के आसपास के इलाकों को आपको देखना है और याद करना है। क्या वहाँ कच्चा मैदान या फिर पक्की सीमेंट से बनी सड़कें थी, वहाँ पे नालियाँ थी, इलाका किस तरह का है, जैसे ढलान वाला या फिर पत्थर वाला है या किसी तरह का। और आपको क्या लगता है बारिश का पानी बहकर कहाँ कहाँ जाता होगा, जैसे ज़मीन में, नालियाँ में या फिर पाइपों में या फिर गड्ढों में। ओके, तो इसका आंसर है यस, देयर आर फील्ड्स, फार्म, करेक्ट, रोड, ड्रीम्स एक्स्ट्रा around my school. The area around my school is basically flat. When it's rain, the rain water gone into the dreams, pipes and pits. Some water is also by the soil. Second question. Second question is, how do you think the rain water that fall on the roof will reach the underground track? Draw the path. Answer is, the water collected on roof reach the underground tank, the pipe which connected both of this. आपको जो ये पिक्चर देख रही है ये आपको साथ में बनानी है अपनी नोटबुक में। ओके, आप ये पिक्चर बना लीजिएगा, उसके बाद आंसर लिखिएगा। Question, have you ever faced shortage of water in your area? If yes, then what was the reason for it? Answer is yes. Sometimes we face shortage of water in our area. This is due to the cut in supply of water by Jal Board. Next question is question number 4. Talk at your grandfather or any elders person, find out when they were of your age. From where did they get water from the house? Has there been a change now? अब आपकी दादा दादी या फिर नाना नानी किसी और बड़े से आपको बातचीत करना है कि जब वे आपके एज के थे तब घर में पानी कहाँ से आता था, क्या तब और अब में कोई बदलाव हुआ है? तो आंसर होगा उसका, दे यूज टू गेट वाटर फ्रॉम वेल्स, पाउंड्स, रिवर एंड हैंड पम्प, बट नाउ वी गेट वाटर सप्लाइड बाय जल बोर्ड or from the tube wells, hand pumps and extra. Question number 5. Question number 5. What kinds of water arrangement were made for travel? For example यहाँ पे प्याओ, मॉक्स, leather bag or any others. Nowadays, what do you people do about water when they travel? तो यहाँ पे इसका मतलब हुआ मुसाफिरों के लिए पानी का किस किस तरह का इंतज़ाम होता था, जैसे प्याऊ में हो गया, मग्स या कुछ और। आजकल सफ़र में लोग क्या करते हैं? आंसर, फॉर ट्रैवल देयर वाज ए अरेंजमेंट ऑफ प्याऊ मग्स एक्स्ट्रा। नाउअडेज पीपल यूजली पैकेज ड्रिंकिंग वाटर और कैरी देयर ऑन वाटर बोतल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, can we even imagine life without water? Answer, no. Water is essential for the survival of life. Question number 7, do you have some special pots for water at your place? Answer, yes. In summer we use pot made up of clay and sand. Water remain cool in it. Question number 8, have you ever seen any beautiful buildings near the place of water? Where? Answer, yes, I have seen the name of as Old Beautiful near the stepwell at my village. Question 9, is there a lake, wheel or stepwell near your house or school? Visit it and find more about it. How old is it? Who got it built? Answer is, yes, there is an old well near my house which is about 100 years old. The local people. Question 10, what kinds of buildings are around it? Answer is, there are residential buildings around it. Question 11, is the water cleansed? Is it cleaned regularly? Answer is, no, the water is not clean, neither it is cleaned regularly. Next question is question number 12, who all use the water? यहाँ से कौन कौन पानी भरते हैं? Answer is, no, no one use the water. Question number 13, is there any festival or celebrate at the place? क्या कभी यहाँ कोई त्यौहार मनाया जाता है? Answer is, yes, some are performed during. Question number 14, is there any water today or is it dry? पानी कहीं सूख तो नहीं गया? Answer is, there is a little water, however it drip up during summer. Question number 15, there are 2 old wells in the area where Punita lives. Her grandmother said that about 15-20 years ago there was water in these wells. The wells could have dried up because water is beginning up from under the ground with the help of motor. The lake in which rainwater used to collect are no longer there. The soil around trees and parks is now crowded with the cement. Is there some other reason for this? Example, यहाँ पे पुनीता के मोहल्ले में 2 पुराने कुएं हैं। उसकी दादी बताती है कि लगभग 15 से 20 साल पहले तक उसमें पानी था। क्या कुएं सूखने की कुछ वजह ये हो सकती है? आपको डिस्कस करना है। ओके, ये आंसर है, द रीजन मेंशन अबव आर ऑफ कोर्स द of this story states, however, cutting of trees, lack of maintenance may also be the reason for the same. Next question is question number 16, everyone has the right to live. It is the everybody getting enough water to live or even water to drink? Why is it that some people have to buy drinking water? Should it be like this? Water on this earth is for one and all. Some people draw out water from the ground by deep bore wells. How far it correct? Have you ever seen this? Why do some people is pump directly in the Jal Board pipeline? What problems would others people face due this? Do you have any such experience? Answer is yes. It is true that today everybody is not getting enough water due to the security of drinking water. Some of people have to buy it. I think must not be like. Some people draw water from the ground by deep boring. It is wrong. His practice is not only deprive other people of water but also affect the फिर यहाँ पे है इन्वायरमेंट इन माई कॉलोनी में पीपल डू दिस सम पीपल ऑल्सो पट ए पम्प इन द जल बोर्ड पाइप ड्यू टू विच अदर्स पीपल फेस सिक्योरिटी ऑफ वाटर आई ऑल्सो अभी नेक्स्ट पेज में देखेंगे हैव हैड सच एक्सपीरियंस वी ऑफन सफर ड्यू द सच प्रैक्टिस बाय द सम ऑफ आवर नेबर्स ओके अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 17 फ्रॉम विच ऑफेन हैज़ द दिस बिल कम आंसर इज दिस बिल वाज कम्स फ्रॉम दिल्ली जल बोर्ड क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 डू यू गेट वाटर बिल एट होम फाइंड आउट वेयर इज इट सेंट आंसर इज यस वी गेट ए वाटर बिल एट होम वी लिव इन दिल्ली and so get our bill from Delhi Jal Board. Next question is 19. Why do you think Delhi Sarkar, Government of Delhi is written under Delhi Jal Board? Answer is Delhi Sarkar, Government of Delhi is written under Delhi Jal Board because Delhi Jal Board is a of Government of Delhi. Next question 20. In whose name is the bill? How much money do they have to pay for each month? Answer is the bill, the name of Sri Mod Umar and Dr. Soeb. Question 21. Do you have to pay of water? How much is the rate of water different in different colony? Asks you elder. Answer is yes. We have to pay off for water about 300 per month. The rate is the same in different colony. Question number 22. Have you ever read these kinds of news in any newspaper? How did people solve their problem of water? Did they repair and resume any old lake or step well? Answer is यहाँ पे आंसर देखेंगे Yes, a few years back there was an security of water in my village. To solve the problem, village made collected offer and clean up and repair the pond and all the wells on the village to make then usually tons of the was taken out from the these water bodies. The hard work of village bore fruit and ever today they are fuller their water requirement for those ponds they will. Question number 23. Bringing a water bill, look at it and tell. Answer is this bill is from 10/7/2009 to 5/9/2009. Okay. Next question 24. How much money is to be paid for this bill? Answer is 312. Question number 25. What else can you see in the bill like the money spent on repair maintenance? Answer होगा yes. 28 rupees have been spent on repair which is including in the bill. सो यहाँ पे आपका सोल्यूशन वीडियो समाप्त करती हूँ। अब इसके आगे आपका PDF रहेगा साथ में, तो उसको आपको अपने देखकर नोटबुक में लिख लेनी है। ओके, थैंक यू, बाय बाय, टेक केयर।